This is the Sink and Spin. It is an as-seen-on-TV kitchen gadget that goes in your sink and allows you to scrub dishes a completely different way. There it is. It looks like a child's toy, a spaceship or something, doesn't it? Let's open it up. There it is. Very nice. And on the bottom here, we've got a handle and some screws. What you do is just rub things on here. This should fit there. And then you can press down the suction cups, which is nice. All right, load this up. I don't know how much soap to use. All right, it's nice and soapy. Let's just get started here. Hey, you know what? That cleaned it pretty good. We're off to a good start. All right, now for traditional bowl here. First of all, I'll say that it cleaned the inside of the bowl really nicely. Although that did a good job. For a bowl, it's really good. You can like press down, you can two-hand it. That's not going anywhere. It's solid. Very nice. It did a really nice job on this bowl, I will say that. Those suction cups are solid. I just noticed, oh, we got some nasty knives in here. All right, so let me see. Hey, that's good. It seems it's really well geared for silverware. For something like this, it seems that it's well suited. I can really put a lot of pressure on this when I'm pushing down. And look at that. Very clean. See if we can do this with this big plastic bowl. Oh, it's doing it. It's doing it all right, yeah. Oh, I'm splashing. For the grand finale, let's do it the other way. Put the handle back on. You can use it as a handheld model. Again, the screws would make it better because it's going to potentially fall out, but I'm feeling it.